Okay, everybody, thought I'd just make a quick video of what's going on our street. The city of Las Cruces has been talking about taking all these mulberry trees out for years because they're lifting the sidewalks. Right over there, they've already taken my neighbor across the streets out. We don't have any in front of our house where you can see the van sitting to the left. But I just thought I'd take this before and after shot. See what the street looks like, just so I can remember what the street looked like before and after. They're doing this for ADA purposes, simply because, as you can see over to the left, the trees are lifting up the sidewalks, and they've been doing it for years. They've been threatening to do this, and now they're doing it. They're supposed to give you back however many trees they're taking out. It's my understanding that those trees will not be placed on the city property between the sidewalk and the street, but in the owner's front yard. We'll see how that goes. But anyway, I'm losing all the shade on my house in the mornings. Neighbors, they're going to take out those 3 trees over there where you see the old motorhome sitting along the street there, and that'll take all the shade away from us in the morning. But you know, it's just the way it goes, I suppose. They are a kind of a nuisance. The beauty is we won't have to look forward to these 80 tons of leaves in the fall. Anyway, I'll come back and take one once they're all done. Well, they're finally getting around to cutting our neighbor's trees, which provide shade to our front yard in the summertime. But you gotta do what you gotta do, I guess, to get these stupid mulberry trees from lifting up sidewalks and attacking sewer lines and all the problems that they cause. But anyway, just wanted to document the falling of this tree. And then they're going to probably do that middle one, the next one up there, you see. And then there's one more, but it's next to the power lines, and they're going to wait for somebody from another tree trimming company to come and trim those away from the power lines before they pull them back, I believe. But we'll find out today. Okay, everybody, it's a little bit cloudy, but this is our street after they took out all the trees. You can see here that they're still, they took out all the sidewalk and curbing, and they're going to remove the stumps.